Now in this section I'm going to look at something called autofill. Now I just typed in the word Monday here, and if you look at the mouse pointer, look what happens when I move here. It changes from this to this. So this little green square at the bottom right of the cell is something called autofill. So if I move the mouse pointer over the autofill and drag down, look what happens. Can you see? It's extending that series. When I let go of the mouse button, it fills it with the days of the week. In the same way, if I click on January and go to the autofill feature here, if I drag this down, can you see? It's dragging down, in this case, the months of the year. So when I release it here, you've got January, February, March, etc. You can also use that for numbers. So if I select 1 and 2 here, and then go to the autofill and drag down, can you see what's happened? It's extended that down, so it's originally 1, 2, and now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You can also do that for a series. So I've got 2, 4 here, so if I select those, and then I go here, which is the autofill, and drag down, can you see what happens? It's extended that series. Let's try this for another series, like 3, 6. The next one obviously would be 9, so let me select those two. Let's go here and drag down, and when I release the mouse button, 3, 6, 9, 12. It goes up in multiples of 3s. So that's something called autofill. You can also use autofill to extend a data range. So I've just got some data here, so if I drag down to select all that, then if I go to the little autofill feature here and drag across the screen, look what happens. When I release the mouse button, it extends that data to fill the block that I just defined. Let me do that again. I'll just press Ctrl Z to undo it. So you select some data like this, you go to the autofill feature and you just drag along like so, and whenever you release it, whatever block you defined will now be filled with the original data.